take a ride to a place beyond the world we know. Behind the moon and the stars we'll go. Come take a ride. Let's fly away to a place we've never seen before. Above the wind and the rain will soar. Come fly away. Let's take a ride.
Farther than the golden glow of the sunset.
Closer than the pillow under your head.
You've been there 100 times in your daydreams.
So leave your dreams, come fly instead.
Let's take a ride to a place that could be anywhere. The song you sing can take you there. Come fly away. Let's take a ride. The song you sing can take you there. Come fly away. Let's take a ride. Let's take a ride. Let's take a ride.
That's it. There we are. Now, let's see here. Should I tell the kids about the magic of the rainforest, or should I just let it be a surprise? All those amazing creatures. I think I'll let it be a surprise. Yeah, but I'll warn them about the weather. Ooh, I want to pack this extra rain gear just to be safe. Yes.
Hi, Grandpa.
Oh, hi!
Raincoats? Why do we need raincoats?
Just a wild hunch, Alan. Maybe it's rainy there.
Well, duh. Obviously, it's wet in a rainforest. Otherwise, they'd call it a sun forest. Yeah, but raincoats are dweeby. I'm not going to wear one.
Well, suit yourself, Alan. But I'm going to pack these. It gets awfully windy and rainy at the top of the rainforest. All the plants and animals that live there need a whole lot of rain to survive.
I'm kind of worried about Murray. Do you have a raincoat his size?
Nope. But I've got something much better. Look, I put a little inside pocket in your raincoat just for Murray. He can't blow away if he's inside there, and he can't get wet either.
You think of everything, Grandpa.
Well, almost everything. The one thing I haven't figured out is how to get Duffy here on time.
He's probably having a snack. 3 peanut butter sandwiches.
2 apples. 100 oatmeal cookies.
Did somebody say cookies?
No, Duffy.
Well, glad you're here, Duffy. It's almost time for takeoff.
Are you sure Murray will be all right? I'm worried. Just how rainy is this place?
Will it be safe to take pictures of the animals?
Is there anything to eat there?
All right, everybody, just calm down. It is rainy there, but you'll be in good hands. Murray will be fine. All of you will be just fine. And goodness, Duffy, there's more food in the rainforest than even you can eat. So there's really no reason at all for any of you to be afraid. Now come over here and listen to me now. Maybe you feel afraid sometimes of trying something new. Everyone feels afraid sometimes. Why shouldn't you? Everyone needs some help sometimes with trying something new. When you're afraid and need some help, what can you do? Hug your bear, hug your bunny, sing a song or walk your pet. You can hug your baby brother if his diaper's not too wet. And then if you feel afraid, tell a friend and you'll be glad. When you're feeling scared together, then scared doesn't feel so bad.
Everyone feels afraid sometimes. It's funny, but it's true. So tell a good friend how you feel. Maybe she's here too. So she can hug your bunny and you can sing her song. And soon, instead of feeling scared, you both be feeling strong.
Hug your bear, hug your bunny, sing a song of your pet.
You can hug your baby brother if his diaper's not too wet.
And then if you still feel afraid, tell a friend and you'll be glad.
When you're feeling scared together, then scared doesn't feel so bad. When you're feeling scared together, then scared doesn't feel so bad. Well, I sure feel better now.
And we're not even going anywhere.
All right, kids, time for the launch.
All aboard.
All right. Here we go. Your lunchbox. And let's buckle up for safety, Duff. There we are.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You're welcome. All right, everybody. Come in, Duffy. Read me.
Roger, Mission Control. Loud and clear. What kind of food's in a rainforest? Things I like? Peach pie? Ice cream? Chocolate?
Duffy, you'll find out. And when you do, bring me back a sample.
Sure will, Grandpa.
All right, prepare for departure. Flaps down, hatch closed. Attendants, prepare your doors for departure.
Grandpa?
Oh. Oops. Sorry, I mean begin count up.
Pilot and passengers prepared for countdown.
Roger! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blast off! We've done it again! Good work, Duffy. Oh, what a trip this is gonna be. Wait till the kids see all those wonderful animals. Wait till Duffy sees the food.
Wow! Look over there. It looks like a giant salad.
Spectacular! The rainforest is much bigger than I thought. Look!
Wait till you see it up close. Captain, prepare your vessel for docking.
How's that?
You may beam yourself down.
Grandpa, you want us to land, right?
Yeah, Roger, just park yourself.
I guess we're here.
Is this the rainforest?
Well, Grandpa said it would be different.
Rainforest look like
Hello? Is there anybody here? Is this the rainforest?
Where's the forest? Where's the rain? Who turned the lights out?
It's weird. I don't understand.
Come over here, over this way, see? There's a clearing, a tree fell, so there's room for the sunlight to peek through. Well, don't worry, see? There's plenty of light and trees and rain and animals and food. See? Well, you'll see. I'm Leo. I'm king of the jungle. I look after all of the animals and the plants, see? Well, actually, they're very hard to see. This is the forest floor. There's much more here than you think. Down on the floor of the forest, here's where the jungle dreams. It's dark on the floor of the forest, but not as quiet as it seems. Lizards and frogs hopping on logs, jaguars and even deer. Look and touch and listen, you're gonna like it here. There's something about a rainforest, something electric in the air. There's a buzz in the breeze and a tremor in the trees. There's a soft green glow everywhere. There's something about a rainforest, you feel it the moment you arrive. There's a song in the rain and the song makes it plain, the forest is alive.
take a picture of an animal.
Well, let me see here. Hey, Louie, there's some people down here who want to take your picture.
Just my picture? They don't have a camcorder?
Don't drive me crazy. Just sing a song.
Not a pretty face, no, no, I'm not a pretty face. Oh no, but I appeal, 'cause I'm a heck of a real nice guy. Sitting on my rock, hey, just sitting on my rock. All day you'll flip for me, unless you happen to be a fly. I know my complexion is rather alarming, but beauty is only skin deep. Kiss me, I'm Prince Charming. Not a pretty face, no, no, I'm not a pretty face, no, no, and hey, it's plain, I don't have much of a brain. I'm just watching the world go by, but here's the deal, unless you look like a meal, you'll find me a real nice guy. Not a pretty face, no, no, not a pretty face. No, but I appeal, 'cause I'm a heck of a real nice guy. Oh yeah.
Thanks, pal. Good show.
Anytime, babe. Getting hungry. Gotta fly.
Does Louie really think he's not pretty?
If he does, he's wrong. I think he's kind of beautiful.
Me too. And precious, too. I love everything in the rainforest, no matter what they look like. Now, what did I do with my wanda? Did I leave it somewhere? Here's my magic wanda.
What's a magic wanda?
Well, I was just getting to that. I twirl it, and it'll let us wander to any part of the rainforest. There's no reservations necessary, no seatbelts required. It's perfectly safe.
I don't get it. Is this a trick?
Oh, cool your jets, Al, and give the man a chance.
You see in here, there is a mixture of rainforest plants and flowers and a hint of vanilla.
Vanilla? Yum!
No, just a touch.
So?
So, when I twirl it, it will move us to the next level of the rainforest.
Cool! How does it work?
No, that's one of the many secrets of the rainforest. This is a very magical place, see? All right, everybody, you ready?
Wow! Whoa! Where are we?
We've come up in the world. Come higher up in the forest, up from the deep dark night. This is the part of the forest where trees are reaching for the light. Everything climbs, slithers and slimes, trying to find the sun. Look and touch and listen, now everyone. There's something about a rainforest, something electric in the air. There's a buzz in the breeze and a tremor in the trees, a soft green glow everywhere. There's something about a rainforest, you feel it the moment you arrive. There's a song in the rain and the song makes it plain, the forest is alive. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I love it.
So are there any animals here that we can meet? I promised Murray someone furry.
Oh, well, all you have to do is say the word. I got furry friends everywhere, Princess.
It's nice of you to think that I'm a princess, Mr. Leo, but I'm just a kid from New Jersey.
Well, I'm making you a princess of the rainforest. You see, I can do that. Hello there in the trees. I got a princess here who would like to meet you, and she has a furry friend.
That's swell.
Selma's a three-toed sloth. Be patient. Sloths are very slow, except in the water.
believe it or not, they're very strong swimmers. Go figure. Most of the time, they just hang out. Hey, Selma, sweetheart.
Just hanging around high off the ground. Everyone tells me I'm lazy, but why should I move? I found my groove, and moving too fast would be crazy. I hang by my toes, scratching my nose. It takes me a couple of hours. I don't get much done, but hey, I have fun hanging and smelling the flowers. Upside down is a wonderful way to see. Don't forget, you're all upside down to me. Just hanging in place, taking up space. That's how I'm usually found. Someday, perhaps, I'll stop taking naps, but till then, I'm hanging around.
What I love about her is she stays still for a photo.
I think Murray's in love.
Oh, it's getting late now. Now we should head up to the next level, the canopy. Ooh. The canopy is wild. You got animals, you got plants, exotic birds. But what did I do with my magic wand there? What? Oh, okay. Now, everybody, you ready to hit the big time?
Yeah.
This is where the action is. You love it? Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you.
Come higher still in the forest. Here's where the jungle swings. A bat's playing tag with a monkey. The birds have rainbows in their wings. Marvelous beasts, fabulous feasts, a party that never ends. Look and touch and listen and sing, my friends. There's something about a rainforest, something electric in the air. There's a buzz in the breeze and a tremor in the trees, a soft green glow everywhere. There's something about a rainforest, you feel it the moment you arrive. There's a song in the rain and the song makes it plain, the forest is alive.
We don't need raincoats, we need party hats.
I can't believe all these beautiful animals
And plants and flowers. It's so noisy I can't hear a word Murray's saying.
What? It's so noisy I can't hear a word you're saying.
Yo, hey, Morris, quiet him down, will ya? Thanks, babe. Morris, you're the best. So wild, huh? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing like it anywhere.
Never.
You know that there are more plants and animals in the rainforest than anywhere on the whole planet.
Wow.
I love it. I love it here. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Huh?
You're so lucky to live here.
Murray and I love all these animals.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean you're not going home?
This place is incredible. Really?
How does he do that?
Hey, Morris, you're up, pal. Sock it to us.
Wake up in the morning, feeling mighty swell. When I feel so groovy, nothing I can do but yell. Wow! Ow! That's how I wake up the jungle.
Wake up,
I sing my wake-up song.
wake up,
And when I start my singing,
wake up.
nobody sleeps for long. You can hear me howling miles and miles away. I can get you moving. What a way to start
on, man. You are the best. Let's hear it. Oh. Hey, did you know that Mo also helps out animals in danger?
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what we would do without him.
I'm hip.
Oh, me too. Yes.
Can he cook?
Mm-hmm.
I'm starving. How about a little fruit? Some munchies. Some lunchies.
Well, your dish is my command. Eddie, hit it!
Let's do lunch. Let's have a picnic in the trees. There's lots to munch, lots to crunch. So pass the avocados, please. Let's do lunch. Let's have a yummy afternoon. It's finger food, you won't be rude if you forget to use your spoon. We got mangoes and guavas, papayas, cassavas, bananas and oranges too. They're sweeter than candy, and here's a surprise, they're even good for you. Hey! Let's have lunch. Lunch like we never had before. We'll eat our fill, then wait until dinner, then we'll eat some more. Here's Brazil nuts and peanuts, so have 2 or 3 nuts, the biggest you ever saw. Here in the jungle, you don't have to cook, the food tastes better raw. Hey, 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 it's time for lunch. Time for a party in the air. So choose your dish, it's all delish. The jungle has a lot to spare. Treats galore, so have some more. Have some lunch, lunch, lunch. Let's do lunch, let's do lunch. Munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Let's do la 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 la. Let's do lunch, lunch, lunch. Yeah!
I'm delirious. This is the happiest day of my life.
Well, I hate to cut it short, but we got one more stop, you know? And I can't find my magic wand. It's windy! Did I mention it rains a lot up here?
No, I can't believe Grandpa packed this thing.
Nothing like a raincoat in a storm, is there?
Well, you see, it's just a shower. It'll pass before you know it.
Really?
Oh, sure, absolutely. Well, let me tell you. You know where you guys are?
This is the top of the forest. Here's where the wind is high. The rain is fierce as a tempest, or the sun blazes in the sky. Somebody's there, high in the air, right in the tallest tree. Look and touch and listen and sing with me.
There's something about a rainforest,
Something electric in the air. There's a buzz in the breeze and a tremor in the trees, a soft green glow everywhere.
There's something about a rainforest. You feel it the moment you arrive.
There's a song in the rain, and the song makes it plain.
The forest is alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the top of the world!
Wow! Does anybody live up this high?
Oh, as a matter of fact, I got a couple of buddies up here. They love it. Hey, Trish, Ernie, are you guys around or what?
Hey, how are you, Leo?
Oh, never better. Hey, these folks want to know why you like it up here.
Flying fast, flying free. That's the life that's right for me. I ride the breeze, catch the rays, that's the way I spend my days. I'm the first to see the sunset, the first to see it rise. And every day is different, there's always a surprise. The life for me is life at the top, life in the open air. I spread my wings and take to the sky, plenty of sky up there. I find a tree that points to the moon, that's where I build my nest. A room with a view, believe me it's true. Life at the top is the best.
Hey, down there, passing through. Look again, I'm up here too. I take my time, sing my song, eat papayas all day long. And if ever I get lonely, I knock on Ernie's door. We'd love to have you join us, there's always room for more.
So come and try the life at the top, life in the free and clear. Spread your wings and take to the sky, plenty of sky up here. Find a tree that waves in the wind, that's where you build your nest. A room with a view, we'll share it with you. Life at the top is the best.
Wow, they're great. And they're right.
Hey, kids, I hate to break it to you, but it's time to head back home, you know?
No.
But you're in luck. Yeah. But you see, you know, you got perfect flying weather. Look at that. I wish you could stick around here a little while. There are so many great creatures in the rainforest, and every one of them is important. I mean, they all keep Mother Nature happy, see?
It's really great that you care about them, Leo.
Well, now, you care about them, too.
Sure do.
Yeah, I know. Excuse me, Princess. Have you seen my, wander?
Yes, I do, King Leo.
Where is it? Ah, here. You do the honors.
Oh, boy. Wow! Mission Control, we are preparing for liftoff, but we sure don't wanna.
Roger, Duffy. Yeah, I knew you'd like the cuisine. Oh, did you bring me back some fruit?
Affirmative, Mission Control. We loved everything, and we're ready for countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Grandpa! Oh, it's good to see you.
All right. One at a time.
Murray's in love with Selma the sloth.
Oh.
Okay, Murray. Sloths are very good swimmers.
Oh, yeah.
The plants and flowers were incredible, too. And lizards are really beautiful. They just have a self-esteem problem.
And Grandpa, I'm adding more fruit to my diet. And nuts. And chocolate. And did you know that vanilla had magic in it?
Oh, Duffy.
Thanks, Grandpa.
The animals were all precious. Leo told us that, and he's right. And you were right about the raincoats. Mm-hmm. Bye,
Goodbye. Oh, I knew this would happen. I'm so glad I didn't tell them beforehand about the magic of the rainforest. Anybody who sees it is never the same. Hey, I thought Duffy brought some fruit back for me. Well, I guess he must have taken it with him. Well, would you look at that? Duffy.
Let's do lunch. Let's have a picnic in the trees. There's lots to munch, lots to crunch. So pass the avocados, please. Let's do lunch. Let's have a yummy afternoon. It's finger food, you won't be rude if you forget to use your spoon. We got mangoes and guavas, papayas, cassavas, bananas and oranges too. They're sweeter than candy, and here's a surprise, they're even good for you. Hey! Let's have lunch. Lunch like we never had before. We'll eat our fill, then wait until dinner, then we'll eat some more. Here's Brazil nuts and peanuts, so have 2 or 3 nuts, the biggest you ever saw. Here in the jungle, you don't have to cook, the food tastes better raw. Hey, 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 it's time for lunch. Time for a party in the air. So choose your dish, it's all delish. The jungle had a lot to spare. Drinks galore. So have some more. Have some lunch. Lunch, lunch.